Hello dear all beautiful students, welcome all to our today's session once again. I am Monish sir. I'm connecting with you as the previous time and we are going through the chapter 5, so you can join with me as I know that it is the time when you will be go on through your short monthly test. Before that the class is vacant, so I take this class. We very last class we completed the characteristics of the balanced diet. Today preparing balanced diet food chart, preparation of balanced diet food chart, preparation of balanced diet food chart. We will try to understand how can we make sure that this chart will be the balanced diet for our good health and in our body. So we need to make sure a balanced diet food chart. So how can we make this one? This one depends on number one, it is given details proper in your book, but we will try to make it short somehow and try to understand. Person's sex, this one. Then we can go through age, of course, occupation, health condition, occupation and health condition. This is the first one. Then food value is the second one. Third one is, we will go through understanding about that. Protein demand for. Then we can write another important points. Vitamin, minerals, water in adequate amount or optimum amount you can write. Then food habit. On the basis of these types of features, we need to make sure the balanced diet food chart. Since you know that if we don't make sure the balanced diet food chart, that times our body cannot getting the proper shape, our body cannot get the proper sound, and our body cannot build up properly. So we need to maintain this one, food habit, for making a balanced diet food chart. Then weather and climate condition, then we can write economic condition of the family, family members. Then we can write nutrition suggested for. So dear students, look at here. Preparation of balanced diet food chart, in which way and how can we maintain this one, and what the matter we need to focus on for making a balanced diet food chart. On the basis of that part, how can we minimize our balanced diet food chart? Very first one, if we want to go through understanding about person's sex. Person's sex means the man is male or female, like that. This is very importantly we can go through. Person's sex means the man is male or female, because the male and female part and male and female very important because their food habit, their optimum amount of nutrition, their body demand is not similar. So personal sex is very important. If you male, if you female, your preparing chart will be the different. So this one is very important. Age, of course, age of course very important. Your child age, your mother old age, your father old age, grandfather more than that. So the people, because of their ages, it is very important. On the basis of their age, different kinds of food chart can be made for there. So we have to maintain this one on the basis of their age. Occupation, yes, of course. They're very service holder, businessman, rickshaw puller, farmer, different. So their condition, their economic condition, and their occupation is not supported for all kinds of nutrition in available in the market or available in the environment. So on the basis of their occupation, it is needed to make sure this is my present conditions, so my nutrition type will be there, these types, and my balanced diet food will be like that in a chart. So this one is very important for occupation. Health condition, yes, some are very obese, bulkiness, and some very thin and look like not that one is actually height, weight, as like as a health condition is everything very important for this purpose. So on the basis of that health condition, to make sure the preparation of balanced diet food chart. Food value, food value, food value is actually going on through understanding. Very importantly, we don't know about that food condition, what kinds of food condition is going on there, the potato chips, rice condition, which type of food is needed for my body. So food value is counted as that this food I can from this food I can get this type of calorie, this amount of calorie, this kind of food I can get this amount of calorie, like that, blah blah blah, and everything is needed for according to the food value. So to make sure the balanced diet chart, food value is counted, very important. And protein demand for, of course, we know that not all time the food energy is important. From the childhood or from the child age to upgrade any stage, it is needed to build up the body, for make sure the bone is strengthened. On the basis of that part, for body shape, getting the body shape proper, getting the body shape, protein is very important for that purpose. So protein demand for including according to the height, age, health condition, okay, and the male or female part. On the basis of that kinds, protein demand for is needed for including in preparing the balanced diet food chart. Vitamin, minerals, water, of course it is very important because disease resistance, and not only that one, circulation, blood circulation, and any physiological activities, these micronutrients is very important. It is needed to included in the food chart. Food habit, of course you will be given the priority of the food habit. I told you yesterday, for characteristics of the balanced diet food chart, food habit is very important. Which one you like for, it is carbohydrate, protein, vitamin, or like that, which and rich food is there. So on the basis of this part, you will carry up that, ensuring to focus on that this kind of food I can get this kinds of energy, this kind of calorie, this kinds of important things or important nutrition stuff I get from that kind of food. But I dislike that one, I don't take one. But my likings, food stuff can give me what amount of food, that is very important. Then weather and climate, yes, now everything you maintain, but the weather and climate not supported, because the weather and climate is actually going on through depending on the availability of the food stuff. So weather and climate, what in this season, that season, which is what types of food is available in the market and in the environment. On the basis of that part is very important for ensuring the balanced diet food chart. I told you the economic condition. Economic condition is very important for that purpose. Economic condition actually going on through, I told you, the businessman, service holder, rickshaw puller, farmer, like that types of family have not the similar economic condition, it is very important. And not only that, it including with the family members. Family members is very important for connecting with them. How many family members? So how can I minimize these family members with these kinds of nutrition included in? So before preparing the balanced diet food chart, it is also counted very importantly. Nutrition suggested for, yes, actually who suggests you? Who will suggest you? Of course, doctors, experts who are actually take care of us. Actually, nutrition suggested for. Sometimes doctors suggest these kinds of nutrition you get from that types of food. So carry out this food instead of that food. So it is very important. And nutrition suggested for any people by the doctors or any others. That times it can be very importantly taken out. So it is very important for these are the important features for preparing a balanced diet food chart. You must maintain this one, otherwise it will be very tough for ensuring. Yes, now I want to tell you about important things, and I will go through understanding the points, last points. Actually, there is a chart is given there. And before that, finally, importance of balanced diet food. Importance of balanced diet food. Many of the importance balanced diet food. Importance of balanced diet food. It is very important, this one is very important. Importance of balanced diet food. Of course, it will be very importantly we can go through understanding balanced diet food. Importance of balanced diet food. Yes, I hope so. I'm fine. Who says salam alaikum salam everyone? And I know that within short time your exam will be there. Before that, I will complete my class. Importance of balanced diet food. Balanced diet food very, very importantly for getting. Of course, we know that active physiological activities. Physiological activities. Active physiological activities is very importantly we can go through understanding active physiological activities. Then we can go through understanding about the next one, physiological activities. Yes, of course we need to know about the physiological activities. Blood circulation, active physiological activities. If we go through understanding about that, so blood circulation is one of the very important physiological activities. It is done by the balanced diet food. Very important if we want to go through understanding about that. Of course, then we can, another things is digestion or digestible form. Okay, digestion, of course, there, and excretion. All types of this balanced diet food is importantly done. Blood circulation, digestion, excretion. If we maintain that one, that times it will be very important. And for doing the blood circulation, digestion, excretion are done by the balanced diet food. Then we can go through understanding about energy production and regeneration. Energy production and regeneration. And number 3, we can go through resistant against disease. Of course, it is very importantly building body shape. Building body shape is also very important. Building body shape. Then number 5, if we want to understand about the importance of the balanced diet food, that times we can write another important points, that is to conduct intercellular connection. Okay, then to sharpen, you can write to sharpen the neuron activities. So look at here. Active physiological activities is very important. Blood circulation, I told you, make you understand. Digestion, later on the digestion. Okay, digestion is going on there. Excretion, this type of physiological activity is done by the balanced diet food. Very importantly, energy production and regeneration. Of course, energy production and regeneration. Carbohydrate types of food and fats can energy produce and regenerate. Resistance against disease, vitamin is actually functionally active since the balanced diet food is importantly vitamin also resistant against disease. Building body shape, of course protein like food stuff or nutrition can ensure the building body shape or can getting a proper shape and firmness. To conduct the intercellular connection, of course very important. Sometimes some minerals can ensure this one. Intercellular connection, suppose this one you can get it back, that blood circulatory system to oxygen to carry out to lungs or anyhow through the blood capillaries, the optimum amount of blood can go on through. That times it is very important to go through that conduction of intercellular connection. To sharpen the neuron activities, actually you know that the neuron is a nerve cell and it is very important. Okay, neuron, you know, the unit of the nervous system, and neuron can ensure and enhance the capability of feeling well. Because if neuron is not working well, everyone say that he or she is insane or mad. So neuron activities is very important. And not only that, I read every day, every time, but there is no chance of getting memorization because my neuron and brain is not working. So balanced diet food, maintain the preparing of balanced diet food, ensure yourself to getting a good brain and sharpen the neuron. Okay, so importance of balanced diet food, if it is asking for active physiological activities, blood circulation, digestion, excretion, energy production and regeneration, resistance against disease, building body shape, to conduct intercellular connection, to sharpen the neuron activities. These are the importance. So all through about the ideal food pyramid and balanced diet we understood about there from this one. And there is a chart in between the page number 96 and 97 in your book. According to this book, you need to remember, and it is by orally. Here you heard me, but I didn't hear you. You must go through learning. This 3 chart is very important for learning and for MCQ for any other case. So my dear students, to learn this one, it is your HW 96 and 97 page. To learn the chart, how can you minimize the chart? It very first time when you see, it will be very tough, but there is some technique. Very first time you will remember the list name of the food grains, all the food grains, bean, kidney bean, egg, fish, leafy vegetable, like that. Then you will, for adult male, only male 3 chart without working, moderate working, hard working. Then just memorize the numbers. In this way you can learn this one. So this one is learning by you is your SW for learn that one. And now it is the time of your exam. So my classes end up here. We will start with the new topics in the next class. Till then everyone, stay safe, stay sound. Allah Hafiz.